have you. Nice to see you. It's been a minute. I know. Hi. Thank you for coming.
New York State Senator Alessandra Biaggi, who represents the 34th Senate District, opened her new office located at 3190 Riverdale Avenue here off 232nd Street, welcoming constituents both inside her office and outside.
This is real convenient.
Good. I'm glad. I'm very glad.
We're grateful to be here in Riverdale on the street level so people can walk in right off the street. It's very accessible, close to public transportation, and I'm just very happy to be here in this community, truly.
I think it's awesome that this office is located centrally in Riverdale.
That's Dennis Shelton, president of the Riverdale Art Association, whose artists were invited to display their work in her office, joining other businesses doing the same.
We have now not only this one here, but also in KRVC in their office we have one in ethical culture.
The location also brings her close to other leaders who called it an opportunity to enhance services at every level of government.
I have learned that Alessandra is the type of person. She's collaborative, she's effective, she works hard, and I look forward to working with her.
And it's really exciting to have a colleague like her. In our districts border each other pretty much on every side, and we both have Bronx and Westchester seats, so it's very important that we continue that, we have a synergy.
So I'm very excited. We've had a great partnership already, and I think this just makes it easier for us to do the work that needs to be done that our constituents rely on us to do.
Also with an office nearby, New York City Councilmember Andrew Cohen, who represents Wakefield, Woodlawn, Van Cortlandt Village, Norwood, Bedford Park, and Riverdale. He's joined by New York State Assemblymember Jeffrey Dinowitz, who has already partnered with Senator Biaggi on town hall meetings to hear from residents and inform them on key legislative bills once stalled in Albany and now with the new Democratic Senate majority have passed.
And Congressman Engel's office is just a few blocks from here as well. But I think that's kind of symbolic of the fact that we all work together as a team.
Along with this, the senator will be looking for a location in the East Bronx. She also has a mobile office that meets at a set location weekly. For more information, you can call 718-822-2049. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Makoko.